So what did you learn in rehab?
I gave myself a break.
Yeah.
I removed myself.
Mm,
I took time to focus on what the real problems were in my life, what
yeah.
I was avoiding. I think alcohol's a massive avoidant
Yes.
drug, it's, getting away from your problems.
Yep.
We worked on the problems that I did have in my life,
Yep.
how to fix those problems, and, a lot of them weren't really big problems. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, it was just that I didn't wanna face them.
Yes.
I didn't wanna adult,
Yeah.
I didn't want to do those things. So, yeah, it was just with the support. You do it like cognitive behavioral therapy, you're doing daily classes. It's not just a detox place or anything like that. It's you're learning about yourself.
Yes.
Yeah, so it was actually a really beautiful experience. You go it's a 12-step recovery program.
Yes.
So they do take you to daily meetings. So you get to know people around. I'd known because I was from the area. It was just down the road in Carrum. So
Yeah.
I knew a lot of people in rehab, I mean in AA already because I've been
Yes.
in and out of rooms. And everyone's just so beautiful and supportive. It's just such a beautiful experience. You think you're so alone you know, and people don't understand who aren't alcoholics, It's really hard for them to get the concept that the mental torture of this disease, the mental health side of this. But you go to these places and these people get you. They know.
Put their arms around you and make you feel like you're not alone.
Oh, it's just amazing. It's, yeah, they do. They just embrace you. And a lot of the time that's what you needed. You just need somebody to give you a big hug. Um,
Yeah.
You know, and, I was able to reconnect with my old sponsor who I, tearfully asked if she'd have me back because I don't know if I would have taken me back, but she's a better woman than me, so no, she took me back and she said, "Of course I will." So,
I
yeah,
love I love what you said there about when you first entered rehab, you gave yourself a break. And I think one of the things as addicts as well that are trying to be functional, in your case, you've got a family, you've got
yep,
finances, you're running a
yep,
house, you're taking on as a single mum so much
yeah,
stuff, you know, and it's not always easy to do all of those things well. And I can imagine that a lot of single mums as well will pick up the bottle to help self-medicate, Those problems that you referred to don't have to be huge problems. They can be small things.